Now, the binary number that we have to convert is this. It is 1, 0, 1, 1. This is our LSB, that is least significant bit, and this is our MSB, that is most significant bit. So this will be multiplied with 2 raised to 0. I'm just converting this into raised to 0 format and superscript. So this will be 2 raised to 0, then it will be 2 raised to 1, copying this, paste, this will be 2 raised to 1, sorry, it has to be 2 raised to 1. Now it will be 2 raised to 2, and the last will be 2 raised to 3. So 2 raised to 0. Anything raised to 0 is 1. 2 raised to 1 it is 2. 2 raised to 2 it is 4. And 2 raised to 3 it is 8. So we have to multiply by MSB. So what is the MSB over the digit? MSB is 1. It will be multiplied by 2 raised to 3. So 1 is multiplied by 2 raised to 3 in format text, again subscript because it is at the top, plus 0 will be multiplied with, just give me 2 seconds, I'm just copy pasting this particular part over here. Now 0, this is 0, 0 will be multiplied with 2 raised to 2. So 0 is multiplied with 2 raised to 2. Then we are having the digit as 1. So 1 will be multiplied by 2 raised to 1, and then last we are having again 1. So the last one will be multiplied by 2 raised to 0. So what is 1? Format text superscript, again just to see whether it is formal. Yes. Now what is 1 into 2 raised to 3? We are very much aware 2 raised to 3 it is 8. So 1 into it will be 8. 1 into 8 plus 0 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. So the final answer, what is 1 into 8? It is 8, plus 0 into any number will be 0, 1 into 2 will be 2, and 1 into 1 will be 1. Sorry, 1 into 1 will be 1. What is 8 plus 2? 10. 10 plus 1 it is 11. So 1011 it is binary. 1011 binary, it is equivalent to 11 in decimal. So this was the first example, that is we have converted the binary, that is 1011 into decimal. The equivalent binary code of 1011 it is 11.